You've heard of Stashaway, the popular investment platform. You're intrigued by their automated investing, but one question keeps nagging at you: where does Stashaway actually keep your money? Let's dive in. Stashaway, being a digital investment platform, doesn't operate like a traditional bank. They don't have branches or ATMs. Instead, they partner with regulated financial institutions to hold and safeguard your investments. So, what bank does Stashaway use? It varies depending on your location. Stashaway operates in several countries, and each market has its own custodian bank. These custodians are typically well-established and reputable institutions responsible for safeguarding your investments. Your money is held securely in segregated accounts, meaning it's legally and financially separate from Stashaway's own assets. Executing trades. When you invest, Stashaway sends instructions to the custodian bank, which then executes the trades in the market. Providing custody services, the custodian bank ensures the safekeeping of your securities and monitors your investments. Finding out the specific custodian bank for your region. Check Stashaway's website. Most jurisdictions will have this information clearly stated in their terms and conditions or on a dedicated About Us or legal page. Contact Stashaway customer support. They can provide you with the exact details of the custodian bank in your country. Why is knowing the custodian bank important? Transparency and trust. Understanding where your money is held is crucial for building trust with your investment platform. Knowing that your funds are held with a reputable and regulated institution provides peace of mind. Due diligence. Researching the custodian bank allows you to assess its financial stability and reputation. Stashaway partners with regulated custodian banks to hold and safeguard your investments. While the specific bank may vary by location, you can easily find this information on Stashaway's website or by contacting their customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.